This is your spacious living and dining area, you can see, and this is the kitchen area, you can see how spacious it is. This is your spacious master bedroom after placing a huge king size bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I'll be giving you 1 BHK sample flat tour of Shripal Shanti by Shripal Group located at Virar West, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office. Let me show you the neighborhood. Please check out your neighborhood. So the road on the left hand side takes you to the Virar station. But before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. Because in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. So first one is project overview. This project is being developed on 2.25 acres of land parcel featuring 3 towers, ground plus 23 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residencies with Jodi options available. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located at YK Nagar, Virar West, Mumbai with D-Mart 2 minutes, Jain Mandir 1 minute and Virar railway station at just 5 minutes. Now let me give you your 1 BHK sample flat tour with a square feet of 476. This is your main entrance. Have a look to it. You'll be getting a wooden door. Now let me show you your spacious living and dining area. So this is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious it is. You'll be getting a lot of space to walk around. According to 1 BHK, it has a lot of space. So this is a living area where you can accommodate your sofa set. And just in front of that, you'll be getting your TV unit. Now let me tell you, the best part of the apartment is you'll be getting an attached balcony. Have a look to your attached balcony. Here you can create your own green space area also, and you can keep a sofa swing also. Now let me show you your dining area. So just in front of your living area, you'll be getting your dining area where 5 to 6 people can easily accommodate over here and enjoy your meal with your family. Let me show you your kitchen area. So this is your layout and this is the kitchen area. You can see how spacious it is. The amount of walkable space you'll be getting over here. So builder will give you 2-sided platform with one upper cabinet. You can create your own 2 cabinet on both the side and in lower also. And you'll be getting an attached balcony where you can set up your dry area and keep your washing machine also. And this is your refrigerator area where you can keep your double door refrigerator easily. And diagonally opposite to your kitchen area, this is your common washroom with Andes-Kit tiles and high-end fittings. So in your entire apartment, you'll be getting a vitrified tiles, and in your washrooms, you'll be getting an Andes-Kit tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's check out your master bedroom, but before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So here's Housey with the actual location tour, sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and book your free site visits. Now let's check out your master bedroom. So this is your spacious master bedroom. After placing a huge king size bed, there is still a space to walk around. You'll be getting a 2-sided dressing table, and just in front of your bed, you'll be getting a TV unit. So you can design this entire home as per your preference and customize it according the way you like it. Along with it, you'll be getting an attached balcony from where you'll be getting your sea-facing views and all your ventilation lights. And in this room, you'll be getting an attached washroom as well with Andes-Kit tiles and high-end fittings. So everyone, this was a complete 1 BHK sample flat tour of Shripal Shanti by Shripal Group located at Virar West, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, Subscribe to our channel Housey.